All doji candlestick are reversal or a continuation pattern. Guys and girls, if you have been in the trading game for a while, you might have come across this in trading candlesticks called the doji. Today, we are going to explore the secrets of doji candlesticks and uncover whether they act as a reversal or a continuation pattern in forex trading. First, you have to know that a doji candlestick can act as a very potential reversal signal, and yes, but only when they occur on areas of either support or resistance levels. You got me? And by looking at the chart here, clearly we can see that our resistance here and our aspired support level was right here. Do you see our doji candlestick anywhere near these zones? No, right? So what is there to reverse from if it occurred in an area that has no zone to bounce from? You see where I'm heading at? Now I come to see first how the market has been behaving in the past hours. You can see that the market fell sharply and in an almost clear straight line, only for it to come and put a stop on this support level right here. Now, it is known theoretically and practically that no market in the world moves in a clear straight line. It just has to retrace at one point. So when it was having some difficulties in penetrating below this support level, I didn't enter right away because the market was showing me a very high momentum to the downside. So I kept observing how it was reacting first, only for me to enter on this trade after the formation of this doji candlestick right here. It may sound confusing at first, but guys, like this video and do not forget to subscribe to this channel as I will be posting videos regularly explaining my strategies using live trades so that until it sticks in the back of your head. And an extra point for you to note is that when the market moves in this way, just know it has to cover at least 60 to 90% of the movement when tracing back. Having that knowledge in your head, it is only logical now to take my take profit levels around this resistance zone right here and just to sit back and relax. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more forex trading insights and strategies. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the future updates, and of course, share your thoughts and experience with doji candlesticks in the comment below. Happy trading. Until next time, take care.